Hey, if you've ever tried to describe a complex workflow to an AI and gotten back something completely wrong, this one's for you. We just shipped two updates to Keragon's AI that change how you build and debug automations. I'm going to show you both right now. Let's start with plan mode. Here's my use case. I use DrChrono as my EHR and GoHighLevel as my CRM. Every time a new appointment is created in DrChrono, I want to sync it over to GoHighLevel, retrieve the full appointment and patient details, check if the patient already exists as a contact, update them if they do, create them if they don't, and log the appointment. That's a multi-step workflow with conditional logic. If you just hit build immediately, the AI has to make a lot of assumptions, and you end up fixing things after the fact. So instead, I'm going to click Plan. Watch what happens. The agent thinks through the workflow, checks my existing authentications, and then, instead of just building, it pauses and asks me two clarifying questions. First, which DrChrono appointment profile should trigger this? Second, which GoHighLevel calendar should new appointments be assigned to? I select my answers, and now the agent lays out the full plan before building a single step. Trigger, appointment created in DrChrono. Then it gets the appointment details, gets the patient details, searches for the contact by email in GoHighLevel, and here's the conditional branch. If the contact already exists, it updates their record and logs the appointment. If they don't exist yet, it creates a new contact and logs the appointment. I can read through this, make sure it's exactly what I want, and then click Accept. The moment I accept, it switches into agent mode and starts building, step by step. You can watch each item get checked off as the corresponding step appears in the workflow canvas. I click Publish, and this workflow is live. That's plan mode. You get to review the full architecture before the AI touches anything. Now for the second update. Once a workflow is built, you'll want to test it. I'm going to run a test with dummy data. The trigger passes, but the next step fails. We get a 404 status code. Makes sense, it's dummy data. The old way to debug this: go to Run Logs, find the failed run, copy the error, come back to the chat, paste it in, and ask the AI what's wrong. The new way? I just type, check the run logs. The agent goes and reads them directly. You can see it listing runs, reading the failed run, and it tells me exactly what went wrong, right here in the chat. From here, I can keep going, ask it to fix the step, adjust the logic, or explain the error. Everything stays in one place. No copy pasting, no tab switching, just chat. So, two updates, both designed to cut down on the friction that slows workflows down. Plan mode, so you build the right thing the first time, and run log access, so you fix issues without leaving the chat. Both are live now. If you're already on Keragon, log in and give them a try. If you're not, there's a free plan. Links in the description. See you in the next one.